Alpine has revealed the one-off A290 Rallye Beware of the Crocodile, created in collaboration with Lacoste. The project transforms the electric hot hatch with a matte bluish-white exterior, white aerodisc wheels, redesigned bumpers, forged carbon fiber trim, and a prominent rear spoiler. The front and rear lighting have been replaced with body-colored panels, featuring slim red LED elements, while the Rallye lights display Alpine and Lacoste logos. The hood features a red pool with 3 crocodiles, a translucent red crocodile extends onto the rear spoiler, and a roof fin resembles a crocodile's back. Inside, the cabin is finished entirely in red. It features 3D-printed lattice bucket seats, Lacoste fabric on the seats, doors, and steering wheel, Alpine and Lacoste branding, and crocodile patches across the dashboard. In total, the collaboration incorporates 290 crocodiles throughout the exterior and interior.